Alright, so Snapchat is out with a new update, which is the update 2021, and which has brought in with it a couple of new features. So today in this video I'm going to show you all those new features and also on how to get those features if you don't have it. So first things first is go into your app store and search for Snapchat and make sure that you have the latest version of Snapchat downloaded and installed on your iPhone. So as you can see, I'm running on the 11.11.0.37 update, and this is indeed the latest version of Snapchat. Make sure you're on this or above and you are good to go. So once you have downloaded the new update and installed it, go into your Snapchat, and the very first thing I'm going to show you is or was requested by a lot of people, which is the ability to delete snaps or videos. So prior to this, you were able to delete the text that you sent. So for example, I'm gonna say hi, and if I wish or if I wanted to delete this, all I had to do is tap and hold, hit delete, and the text will get deleted. But now if you send a person or if you send a snap to a wrong person, for example, let's say if I snap it and if I send it to this person and then I realize that I sent it to a wrong person, all I have to do is again go into the chat, tap on the snap, hit delete, and the snap will be deleted. The person will get a notification that you deleted a snap, but I mean it is what it is. Also, if I take a video real quick and if I again want to, or if I send it to a person and if I want to delete the video, again go into the chat, tap and hold, hit delete, and the chat will be deleted. Snapchat will definitely try to delete it from your friend's snap as well or from your friend's chat as well. But I mean, if your friend manages to open the snap in time, you won't be able to delete it later on. That is the only thing that you'll have to keep in mind, that your friend does not open your snap and you're good to go. The next thing is you will be able to save snaps to your camera roll. So I have a snap here, and if I tap and view, I mean you can view it, you will get an option to hold and reply and hold and save. It is not available right now on my device, but you will definitely get it in the future. I have seen a lot of my friends having this particular feature on their phones. Mainly people having an iPhone XR or 10R will have this feature. I don't know what difference does it make, but yeah, I have seen a lot of my friends with an iPhone 10R having this feature. So to make sure that you get this feature and the one I'm going to talk about next, all you have to do is go into your profile, tap on the settings button, then all you have to do is scroll down until you see join Snapchat beta. Hit on this and you'll get the information on how to join Snapchat beta. You have to install an app called as Test Flight and then tap on this link and then you'll be good to go. So why I'm mentioning this is because the next feature is going to be out very soon, and I'm very sure that you would like to get that feature very first. So the feature I'm talking about is dark mode, and yes, Snapchat is definitely testing dark mode in their app itself. I don't have it on my phone as of now, but if you go into settings real quick and if you scroll down, you will have an option below partner connections which will say app appearance. So all you have to do is tap on it and then select dark mode to get the dark mode on Snapchat. I mean, Snapchat is the only social media app that I could think of which does not have a dark mode. All other apps, all other social media apps have dark mode in the app itself. So yeah, these were all the features that are going to launch pretty soon in the future. A couple of people that I know do have the feature that I talked about, except the dark mode, which is again going to be launching soon. But the other two features that I talked about, my friends already are rocking that feature on their phone. I don't know if this is a device specific change or not, but I mean, I don't have it, and I've seen a lot of people with an iPhone 10R having this feature. So I mean, stay tuned, or better get yourself an iPhone 10R if you can. I mean, don't do that. But yeah, stay tuned for the feature, and it will basically be launching very soon. And again, join Snapchat beta. I'll provide a link in the description for the Android users to join Snapchat beta. But for iOS users, all you have to do is follow the settings and you're good to go. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That was the app itself, and these were all the updates. So yeah, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Yeah, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.